Okay, the recording has started. Okay, so we have created something called as Be Happening. And the main reason that we created this application is because the problem that we were facing. Me personally, when I'm in a building, I want to know what are the current events happening right now. Now I know that there are a couple of applications provided by the university to help us know this, know where the events are happening, know how they are happening. Apps called as campus groups.
Be engaged is there. A lot of things are there. Even though we have a mailing list, the user interface it kind of sucks. Everybody knows. They just don't want to say it out.
So we just wanted one place for all the events that's happening around the campus and at all location. So that is why we started with.
Yeah, we coded the entire project regarding this, and we keeping this as our core. We have built a wonderful front end for our project, which could be developed if we have more time. And a backend, we have a robust backend also. And continuing with that, we have implemented a lot of options such as recommendation systems, personalizations, commitments, and a lot more. And there is a lot to speak about. So let's start with how we started the project.
Okay, so this is how the backend look like. We have used web scraping tools and what is this platform?
Yeah, and this is actually an automation platform called N8N. It's an open source software which I usually use to do my backends. It will save huge amounts of time in hackathons. The first thing is from the front end, our front end developers will provide. I have provided them a webhook. They will just give a call to the webhook, and then it will go to the Binghamton calendar. Then it will extract a lot of information and go into HTTPS request scraping, and a ton of scraping. I will use multiple agents, and for the databases I am going with Redis and Postgres SQL. Along with our main AI agent is Grok, because it is cheap and does the job good. And also we have taking backup data in Notions and Sheets, followed by we are using JSON parser, and once everything is done, we will just go check everything is perfect, and we filter, sort it out, and respond to the webhook. And we now change our topic to the front end developer.
So long thing short, all we get from backend is data. What events are happening in university and at what time. What we are actually trying to be very subservient about is we want to know what is happening at what location. Now towards the front end part. This is what our front end looks like. The main sellout, like I said before, is the location. If I want to know what is happening in the union, I should be able to know. So this is a sidebar which also opens and closes. It covers the entire width. If it enhances the user experience and sort of stuff. So if I want to know what is happening in the library, I'll come to know what is happening in the library. So there are no events happening in the College in the Woods, so it is showing blank. In the Anderson Theatre, East Gym, West Gym, and it's just perpetual stuff that you guys should be aware of. There's also a login functionality that we created just in case if a user wants to log in. After logging in, he will be welcomed with something what we call our Be Happening dashboard. So these are the events that are happening. Also the search functionality. If you don't want to go with the location thing, if you want to know where is the skateboard event happening, you just go ahead and type skateboard, and you'll come to know that skateboard at what time and at what location.
And one more important thing about our software is we have a robust backend which will keep on scraping for every minute and update, keep our project updated for each and every minute, so that you won't get any wrong information or delayed information. Even if the club member or event organizer changed or updated few things, our Be Happen will be updated as soon as the change is from the website.
Yeah, so again, this is our dashboard. I'll scroll it a bit slow so you guys can watch it. This is also scrollable. This also shut down, covers the entire width 100%. We have a footer here which has our tagline, "Your next adventure awaits." We have login feature, we have search feature, and this is how basically our project is.
Yeah, and something's always happening in Binghamton. That's why we use Binghamton to update it.
Correct, Binghamton to update it. So yeah,
that's we came up with the name Be Happening.
Be Happening.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.